So a lot of people have asked me in the comments on my Venetian and Palazzo videos in the last couple weeks, why are all these people wearing white? And I should have told you when I was making the video, but to tell you the truth, it didn't dawn on me while I was making the video. So this is people coming from the Backstreet Boys, and the Backstreet Boys are playing at the Sphere right now all the way through August, and the theme, they perform in basically all white, and so the concert goers also want to wear white. It's just a kind of a cult thing with the Backstreet Boys. Everybody's wearing white. Everybody knows the lyrics to every song, which, can be annoying if you go to the concert and you actually want to hear the people that are that you pay to see. But like I say, it's a cult, and this is the Backstreet Boys cult, and they're coming through Venetian right now because they just got out of the Sphere, and between the Sphere and Venetian there's a jetway that goes straight into the casino. Brilliant marketing to force them right through the casino, because a lot of these people are going into the bars, going into the restaurants, and going into the slot machines and the craps tables and the blackjack tables. So anyway, yes, they're forcing the people to have to go through the Venetian and the Palazzo, and it's a gold mine. Very smart of the planning for these two casinos.